Hi everyone, and welcome to the first ever video of the FloPlan Underground Short-Term Scheduling System by Confluence. Today I'm going to show you scheduling of this level over here. First step in actually creating the schedule is coming to the Centerlines tab, selecting the actual file that we're going to be importing, and from there going to the Wall Outlines tab and actually generating the wall outlines. So today we're going to be scheduling this footwall drive over here, which has 1, 2, 3, 4 crosscuts. And as you can see, they're actually clipped here. And the ore drift over here doesn't actually have any connecting geometry, which is why it's actually floating in space. Now, to generate the schedule, we're going to go to the tasks and click the actual Create Base Schedule button. Right now the scheduling engine isn't wired in, so we're going to come to this screen over here, and for variety we're going to start the schedule on the 9th of September. The scheduling has actually 5 steps. You start off in the geometry and you create the base schedule, which will give you your base durations, and then you create precedences, which are the arrows that connect the tasks one to the other. Then you actually update the dates based on these dependencies. Then you look up the shift definitions to push out the schedule and calculate the attributes from which we're going to use to do reporting. Once this is done, just come back here to refresh, and you can see the schedule has actually changed. You can also view the schedule as a Gantt chart. So over here we have the schedule starting on the 9th, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 a.m. as a scheduled start. We've got 1 hour of delays, then we're drilling, we're explosive charging, and then we have a delay until we blast. And then after that, 2 hours of delay over shift change, and then after that we have the digging. And then after that, we start over with the drilling once again, and we have the green arrows actually representing the dependencies from one round to the next. As any Gantt chart, we can actually turn around and zoom out, and over here we can actually see the footwall drive connecting to 1, 2, 3, 4 individual crosscuts, and then we have our ore drift actually sitting out there, not connected to anything. We can also look at the schedule as a series of reports. So here we have reports showing you the production physicals with the number of active faces over the course of a day. I can switch this over here to a week and see that we have 8, 10, 19, 11, and then 6 active faces. I can also look at the schedule as a series of production time. Over here we actually have all of the information, and I'll show it to you by month. Basically all the information that's required in order to calculate face availability and utilization. I hope you enjoyed this first video of the FloPlan Underground Short-Term Scheduling System. We'll talk to you soon.